Hey guys, got a cat here, and I'm going to be showing you guys what's on my iPod, because usually I was gonna do this, but I couldn't because when I made my other videos, it recorded, like, I had to record with my iPod. So I have all the normal apps here, and then I have utilities, which is contacts, calculator, voice memo, and all that stuff. And I have a Glow Hockey folder with both the Glow Hockeys, and I have Netflix, an Xbox Smart Glass. I opened it. Close. Hello. Close. Hello. Okay, wait, okay. Oh god. Then I have both Fruit Ninjas, but they're free. I have Flashlight that does not work because doesn't have the front facing camera flash thingy. I have Centro Cheats. I have Kick, Discovery, Google Earth, Google Chrome, Frontline Commando, both of them. Trial Extreme 3, I'm going to be doing a gameplay of that soon. I have Call of Duty Elite, Stupid Zombie. Oh, real quick, my bottom dock, has YouTube messages because I text my dad and my friend and all them. Music download, that actually has free music. And then I have Eevee, it's like Siri. Alright, then I have Vector, wallpaper apps. I have Temple Run and Temple Run 2. I have Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Dead Trigger, Pitfall, I Hate Zombies, which I love that one. Smash Eat, Skype, which I can't use because it's not free. Walking Dead, I like that one too. Off-Road Legends, Pocket Tanks, Call of Duty Ghost thing where you can like check your soldier. GTA Racing 2, Techno Buffalo's website. Plants vs. Zombies #2. A lot of Angry Bird games. I have normal, Star Wars, Friends, Rio, a random one, Angry Birds, I forget this one, and then Space. And I have a timer because sometimes I can't get to the one. I have a bunch of gun apps, which my brother likes to play. I have Commander 3D, Urban Crime, I like that one. Find My iPhone, Real Racing, I'll be doing a gameplay of that. And what I'm using to record my screen right now. So that's pretty much it. I have stuff over here. Is there anything else? I'll just show you guys my Twitter just real fast. It's loading up. And also, I'll show you guys how to get this, and I'll show you some other stuff. Yeah, I do have it, I just not logged in. Yeah, I'm not gonna log in here, because you guys will see how I log in. Alright, come on, go home. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button. I'm Got a God, and I'll see you guys later.